everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. Today I will be sharing an Amazon haul as well as 2 items I got from Target. So as you guys know, a lot of states are opening up again. Some stores are opening in different states, but in my state they are not. So over the past few weeks I've been ordering off of Amazon, and I had a Hobby Lobby online order that I already shared with you guys last week, so I will link that video up above. But I finally got in all my orders, and I just wanted to share these items with you guys because maybe it's something you guys might want to pick up. But I'm definitely excited because I do feel like I have enough items or enough decor to decorate for like an early summer video. So that video will be coming to you guys soon, but I first wanted to share the rest of my decor with you guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys know, I have been going out to Target when I need to buy like groceries. So on my last grocery haul or grocery trip, not haul, I did pick these up. They had everything at the dollar spot 50% off. So I just went ahead and I picked up these like eucalyptus picks, I think. They're just greenery picks, but each one of them was 50 cents. So I went ahead and I grabbed 3. And yeah, that's basically it for the dollar spot. It was pretty bare, to be honest, which was pretty amusing since I know not a lot of people are shopping right now. But anyways, the next thing I got is I was able to spot an end cap with a lot of the Hearth and Hand items, and I was able to see that they had some like table runners. Now, I had never noticed that Hearth and Hand has like 2 different sizes of table runners, but the ones I had always found were the 72-inch ones. So that's not big enough for my table, so I was never able to get one. So I just went by, I strolled by, and I looked at the different things they had on the end cap, and I found this table runner, and I believe it's 90 inches like long. So I was like, this is perfect. And the best part, you guys, is it was on sale. So this is it. It's just like I don't know, it's just a neutral color with some stripes of gray, a darker gray, a blush tone, and like a mustard tone. But they had it on sale from $25 down to $12. So I was so excited that I decided to grab it, and I'm excited to finally be able to put a runner on my table because I haven't had a runner on my table since Halloween. Yeah. I think it was Halloween. That was the last time I had a runner. So I'm excited to have this. And then this is the end, which it's just like little tassels. And I think it's so cute. I already opened it and put it on my table just to test it out and make sure that I liked how it fit. And it's safe to say that I do, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So if you guys have a Target near you, I would suggest going to take a look at it because I've seen from a few videos that most Targets do have some Hearth and Hand items on sale. So go get yourself a table runner. Now the next few items are from Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with 2 books that I ordered. The first one is the Magnolia Table, the first book. The second book already recently came out, and I love watching Kaylin Cash. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her. You probably are because her YouTube is honestly goals, but she's been doing a lot of recipes off of the second book. So I don't know, it inspired me to go out of my Mexican traditions, my Mexican recipes, and try something else out. So I decided to start with the first book just to see if I like it and if I actually like try to cook with these recipes. So I have not yet, but I will. And I also think it's gonna be a cute like decor piece in my kitchen. So I'm excited. Jonathan and I were kind of just like paging through it, and he found a few recipes that he wants me to try out for dinner. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, I absolutely am excited about this. But the next book, again, it doubles as decor, but I also just wanted to get it to read it and just be inspired by it. And this is a recommendation by Jessica Giffen. I think that's her last name. Again, she's a YouTuber I admire, and she is goals as well as Kaylin. So I'll go ahead and leave their YouTubes down below in the description box. But she did an Amazon decor haul, and she recommended this book. And you guys, like, I went to buy it that day and it was sold out. So I was a little bit discouraged, but I went ahead and I ordered like the pre-order anyways, and it actually got to me pretty quick. Like it wasn't even a long wait at all. So I'm really excited. I'm excited to just be inspired. I already read it all and I love it. I have a lot of ideas in my head, but again, like I said, it does double as decor, so I will be using this as like a coffee table book. But definitely recommend you guys taking a look at it. It wasn't even expensive. It was around $14, which is not expensive at all. And yeah, I just absolutely love it. So the next item that I got, Jonathan almost had a fit over it when I told him how much it cost, which I don't think it was too expensive, but I guess he was just surprised since I always get like Target dollar spot kitchen towels. But it is this kitchen towel right here. It just says Creamery Ice Cold Butter Ice Cream Milk. And I just thought this was so cute and it goes perfect with the theme I'm trying to go for this time around. And this was $13, so it's a little bit more pricier than like Target dollar spot kitchen towels, but I definitely love it. It's good quality. I love like the overall design, and I think it's gonna look really cute, especially since I am going to use it as decor only. That's why I think the $13 is worth it. But if I was like going to get this dirty or be using it to, you know, wash my hands or dry my hands or whatever, I probably wouldn't pay that much. But it is for decor and I absolutely love it. Okay, so the next few items are all pillow covers, and I'm excited because it is the first time that I stick to my promise of only ordering pillow covers, because every time I'm going to decorate, I tell myself I'm just gonna order pillow covers because I already have so many throw pillows that there's really isn't a need to buy more throw pillows. Like I can easily do it with pillow covers. So I'm excited that I found these. But the first one is this striped one, and it just has faux leather like inside, like in the middle of it. Now my dining room tables have faux leather on the top, so I thought it'd be neat to bring that into the living room with this pillow cover. So I like how the stripes on one side go this way and on the other side they go that way. So that is the first one, and all these pillow covers were like under $15. Two of these came in a pack for, again, under $15. I don't remember the exact price, but I got this pack of this pillow cover, and it's just a stripe like in neutral colors, just like some creams, a black, and some grays. So I just think this is gonna look so cute paired up with this one and the next one I'm gonna show you guys. But this one did come in a pack of 2, so I am excited to use these. And the last pillow cover that I got that I'm so excited about, because again, just tying in that like farmhouse theme, but it is this pillow cover right here. It just says Farmers Market and then dairy, produce, dry goods, and I think this is gonna look so cute on my couches. It is a little bit of a different color, so it will pop out, and I'm just excited. I love this, and it's gonna bring in that farmhouse theme that I really am trying to go for this time around. So I am excited to show you guys how it turns out, and I will be replacing a few of the pillows finally on my couch, so I'm excited for that. The next item you guys have already seen in one of my previous hauls for my bedroom, but I loved it so much. Oh, and you guys, that bedroom, master bedroom makeover is going to come, but Jonathan has been so busy on the weekends. He's been working basically 7 days a week, so we've just been really busy lately, so we haven't had a chance to like paint the rooms, which is what I want to show you guys, the overall like, you know, makeover. So as soon as we're able to do that, that video will be up on my channel, so make sure you hit the notification bell. I know I've promised it for a while, but it's just we've actually been busy these past few weeks. So yeah, I'm anxious. I want to get it done. But I did go ahead and grab another one of those gallon glass like little vases. I absolutely love how this looks with like eucalyptus stems just like poking out of it. I plan to use this on my kitchen dining room table over like the runner I just got, with just like a simple eucalyptus pick, and I think that's gonna look so cute, so simple, and it's gonna work perfect for my theme. So again, these are so inexpensive. They're only like $10 or $11, whereas if you try to get a vase like this, they're like upwards of $30. So if you're looking for something similar, head on over to Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can just access it really quick. And the last and final item I got from Amazon are just these baby breaths, like fake greenery. I was struggling to figure out what type of greenery I wanted to go with because I'm trying to stick to like a neutral, fresh palette. I don't want to go too colorful yet because I did do the color with pastels for Easter and spring, so I just kind of want to be neutral for a while before I go crazy with like yellows and like bright pinks and so on. So I just decided to grab these. These were 2 for $15, so I'm excited to just have a clean, neutral slate for like my early summer decor. So that is everything for this haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys decide to check out some of the items yourself for your homes, for your decor. And yeah, I'm excited to come out with my next like summer decorating with me video. So make sure you are subscribed and you have your notification bell turned on so you are notified of those videos. But that is everything. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.